Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a rear inside door handle on this 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis. Pretty easy task. Only tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and a regular flat blade screwdriver, and this is pretty much the same for any 98 to 02 Grand Marquis.
Okay, use a flat blade screwdriver and come under here, carefully pry this up, pry it up here, and pull it right out. Okay, and now you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Just carefully remove these two Phillips screws. Okay, and then use your flat blade screwdriver and go right in here. You can see a tab on the side. Pry up and pull down on one side, and then turn it over. Same thing right over here. Pry up. Okay. Okay, now you want to use your flat blade screwdriver and pry down on the top of this bezel, and then it comes out. And then there's two little covers here. Just pry at the bottom. Use the bottom, that way if you accidentally scratch something, it's less likely to show. Okay. And now there are 4 screws, Phillips screws to remove here, here, and then one down here.
And just speed up the film here as I remove those 4 Phillips screws.
Okay, once those screws are out, you're going to lift up on your panel. Okay, you might have to kind of shake it a little bit to get it out. Okay, and then pull your switch through. Okay, and your panel comes off.
And you'll want to carefully pull up your water shield, and then the area around the handle, you probably will have to tear the little foam insulator that's right around the handle and pull it out from around the handle.
There's a Phillips screw right in here. Remove that screw. Then slide your handle forward and pull it out. And then when you look behind, you'll see that it's attached to a rod, and what you want to do is kind of pull it down and then forward and off the rod like that. Okay, reinstallation, just a reverse of the procedure. Put it on, up, into place. Okay, there's 2 clips here, just make sure they go in right there. Push it in and back. Oops. And reinstall your screw here.
Okay, put the shield back around the handle. Make sure you pull the wiring harness through and stick the shield back on as well as you can. Some extra tape or something might be in order if it doesn't stick on there very well.
Okay, put the panel back in. Make sure you feed your switch through the hole in the insulation here. Okay, the clips just go right into the door. Put it in place. Make sure that your lock button goes up and in. Push it against the door and down and on. Okay, pull your switch through.
Okay, and I'll speed up again as I put the 4 screws back in. The 2 longest screws are the ones that go way down at the bottom and right under the door handle, and then the kind of shorter panhead screws go into the door pull. Fast forward again as I put the Phillips screws in and tighten them up for the switch. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.